This is my Sherman, and the common problem with the Sherman is that the wheel is not centered on the tire is not centered on the wheel. And if you can see here, when I spin the tire, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there is a slight wobble in the tire. You can probably see it easier. You see along the line here against the rim and the tire is a line. This is a line that goes all the way down. And if you notice, you'll see that the line moving like it's closer to one spot than the other one. So I'm gonna find the spot. Looks like right in this area. Looks like it's closer. Let me see if this focuses. This little line on the tire is closer to the rim. So I'm thinking if I deflate the tire and move the tire with my hands, and let's see if I can get this piece out. Okay, so now I have the air out of the tire. Now let's see if I can center this tire on this wheel by just inflating a little bit of air and then making sure that this line is even with the rim all the way around. So what I'm doing is looking at that line and where that thing is coming out. I kind of give it a little twist and kind of massage it into place. I just have a little bit of air in the tire right now, just enough for me to move it around so it won't move afterwards. Okay, finished now. It looks actually a lot better. I don't know if you can see. That's kind of hard to tell, but that line that goes along, like I talked about earlier, is a lot better than what it was. So hopefully now you won't get as many high-speed wobbles.